Hello everyone, I wanted to go ahead and give you a couple quick tips to help you during freezing temperatures from your pipes freezing. So the first thing, of course, you always hear drip your faucets. So we wanted to demonstrate on what that actually means. We're going to start here at the kitchen faucet, work our way up to the other bedrooms and bathrooms. So when we say drip your faucet, we're looking for somewhere of a steady stream. So somewhere in this realm where you don't see any separation of water is a good indicator that you're not going to freeze your pipes. The other thing, you want to make sure you're running both hot and cold, so you can't just run one, you got to run both. Because if you just run one, the other one will freeze. Most of the time, this is what people are thinking dripping is. But as you can see, there's not a consistent water flow. Therefore, it will cause the pipes to slow down or not have all the water continuing to move. You can kind of relate this to when you look at an ocean, which always has water moving, compared to a lake or something like that, which will freeze up quicker. So you want to make sure, like I said, constant water flow. The other thing you want to check for is you want to be checking underneath your sink. You got to open up your cabinet doors to allow heat to get inside. But also you're going to want to check your drainage to make sure you don't have any leaks underneath. So make sure all these different areas, we don't see any water coming down. A quick tip is putting a paper towel down underneath these. That way you'll be able to easily see water drops that are dropping down there. So moving on to our half baths, we want to go ahead and do the same thing. As you can see, your hot and your cold are going to be separated. So you do a little drip on your cold. And you got to go back and forth until you feel like you get it just right. And then increase your hot too. That way you got that steady stream. The other thing, make sure your pop-up is in the upright position to allow the water to go down. And watch it every 30 to 5 minutes just to make sure that this water doesn't start to rise, saying that you have a blockage somewhere deeper down. And now we move to the bedroom bathrooms. Same idea as the half bath. You want to slowly drip one side first, and then follow up with the other one. Then after that, make sure to go ahead and check your cabinets again. Open up your cabinet drawer and check your plumbing to make sure your drains are not clogged or leaking. And like I said in the first part, in the half bath, check your plumbing drains every once in a while just to verify that the water is not coming up and you don't have a clog further down the line. Thank you very much for watching this video. I just want to let you know, on behalf of TBD Management, we really appreciate you taking the time to try to help protect your home.